joining us on today's Quick Connect product intro and demo. Let's meet Brad. He's at work, but would much rather be kite surfing. He'd love to go more often, but Brad has a problem. His launch sites are crowded. This does not make Brad happy. And rigging kite lines often leads to lost time, hassles, and frustrations. The solution? Quick Connect. Let's see how Quick Connect will save time, hassles, and frustration. When it comes time to rigging your kite, it's simply a matter of unwinding the last few meters of lines. Then, take your Quick Connect and run them through the lines. Now, you simply unsnap one kite line at a time and connect. No need to ever lay out and untangle your kite lines again. That's it. Drop your lines when you're ready to launch and expect nothing less than perfect lines every time. And now we'll show you how easy it is to use. When applying your Quick Connect, front lines are snapped into the corresponding bottom, right, and left line guides. Then, snap in the rear lines into the corresponding top, right, and left line guides. When snapped in, all lines and extensions travel freely and securely through the line guide's wide openings. Quick Connect is meant to be an extension of the hand. Now, you simply wrap up your bar as you normally would. No need to learn any new technique. Make sure to stop a few meters short before disconnecting your lines. Then, finish wrapping up your lines with the Quick Connect in place as we show here. Now your bar is once again set up for your next quick connection. Not to worry, Quick Connect is applicable for all bar types and line setups. For more details, visit us online. No more walking out lines, tangled lines, cross lines, twisted lines, hassles, or frustrations. For more information and to get your Quick Connect, visit us online at roguekiteboarding.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.